Hello friends, I am Anuradha from JagoInvestor.com. So today in this video, I'll be basically talking to you about the difference between BSE and NSE. A lot of people enter into the world of stock market because they are very passionate about it, or either they want to make a very good career into trading. But many people really don't know what is the difference between BSE and NSE. So before I get into the differences between both, let me first tell you the basic detail about BSE and NSE. So BSE stands for Bombay Stock Exchange. It was founded in 1875 and it is one of the oldest stock exchange in the entire Asia. The benchmark index of BSE is Sensex, which comprises of top 30 companies. NSE stands for National Stock Exchange. It was founded in the year 1992 in Mumbai. And it was through NSE that the electronic trading platform was first introduced in India. The benchmark index of NSE is Nifty, which comprises of top 50 companies, and it is also known as Nifty 50. So let us get into the details of the difference between both. So the first point I want to talk to you about here is based on pricing. So for example, company is listed both on BSE and NSE. So the stock prices on BSE and NSE may vary. It can be on a higher side on BSE and it can be on a lower side on NSE. And the second point which I want to talk to you about the benchmark index. So before only I highlighted BSE's benchmark index is Sensex, which comprises of top 30 companies, and NSE's benchmark index is Nifty, which comprises of top 50 companies, and it is also known as Nifty 50. So coming to the next point is trading volume. So the trading volume in BSE is actually on a lower side as compared to NSE, and NSE, the trading volume is on a higher side. The next point is total number of listed companies. So total number of listed company in BSE is around 5,439, whereas in NSE it is 1,952. The next point is about market capitalization. So market capitalization means that what is the price of the entire market listed on BSE. So it is 2.3 trillion USD as on November 2019, and on NSE it is actually 2.27 trillion USD. And the next point is global rank. So globally BSE is ranked on 10th position and NSE is ranked on 11th position. So it is not a much difference between both. And the last point which I want to talk to you about is the index value. Index value means what is the price of BSE's index, means what is the price of Sensex. So as on July 15, 2020, the index value, the Sensex value was rupees 36,051.81. So this index value actually changes on a daily basis. And for NSE, it was rupees 10,618 rupees. So this was the basic difference between both. I hope you liked this video. Share this video with a lot of your family and friends, and see you in the next video. Thank you.